let's make some hot chicken. For this recipe, you're going to need some chicken of your choice. Chicken wings, chicken thighs, chicken legs, whatever you want. I have chicken wings and I also have chicken tenders. For the sauce and for the seasonings, we're going to use the Chef Bourdon, Poultry Magic, Chipotle chili pepper or chili powder, celery salt, smoked paprika. You can use smoked paprika, sweet paprika, or regular paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper for the heat, black pepper, crushed red pepper for additional heat, and some brown sugar just to cool it off just a little bit. So let's get started. So I am starting about 2 hours in advance from me actually wanting to feed my family. So what we're gonna do is we're going to season our chicken and we're going to put it in a buttermilk sauce so that we can go ahead and let it marinate for about 2 hours. So because I am making chicken wings as well as chicken tenders, I'm going to put it all in the same pot because we're going to use the same seasonings for each. So we have that, and we're going to start off with a little bit of celery salt. Celery salt is really good, guys. If you've never had it, please try it. It is amazing. It gives any type of dish a hint of pop, if you know what I mean. We're gonna go ahead and come in with some Poultry Magic, like so. And we're gonna come in with some smoked paprika. There we go. Some black pepper. This dish is going to be full of flavor. And lastly, some garlic powder. And what we're gonna do is just mix it all up like so. And I have a glove on because I hate having to wash my hands so many times. My hands will start getting dry. So I just put on some food safe gloves. Food safe, guys. Be careful on what type of gloves you're using. Make sure that they can be handled with food. I mean, you can handle food with it, because if not, you might cause harm to the people that is eating the food. So now that I have that mixed up, we are going to go ahead and use our buttermilk. I'm using some buttermilk, and we're just gonna pour it all in there like so. Give it a little shake. There we go. And I just took off my glove because I want to be able to make sure that it's good to go. And I'm just gonna mix it in, make sure everything is nice and seasoned and covered. And sometimes I rearrange the chicken because you want it to be soaking in the buttermilk. All right, the chicken is now soaking in the buttermilk with all of its seasonings. I am going to let this marinate for about 2 hours, and I will be back once it's time to actually cook the chicken. All right, so our chicken has been marinating for 2 hours. What we're gonna do is go ahead and start breading our chicken. I have seasoned my flour with the same seasonings that we seasoned the chicken. So we're gonna pull it out of the buttermilk, and you want to pull them all out of the buttermilk. So give me a second for me to do so. We have all of the chicken removed from the buttermilk. I have about this much buttermilk left. It's not a lot at all, to be honest. So we're just going to bread the chicken. There we go. And sometimes we like them double breaded. I personally don't, so I'm gonna do some without the double breading. So this is just one. We're gonna set it on the baking sheet. And let's do more than one. There we go. Let's go ahead and get it breaded. so we have all of our chicken breaded. We are heating up the grease so we can go ahead and fry the chicken. And guys, we are almost done. We just gotta fry the chicken and do the sauce. See you at the fryer. All right, so we have our cast iron skillet heated up with our oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use whatever oil you choose. And now we are going to go ahead and just start placing in our chicken. You don't want to overcrowd the pan, so do about 4 pieces each. Take your time when frying chicken. It's not a rushed process. And here's our 4. So I'm only doing 8 chicken wings and then 5 chicken strips. But we're going to take our time, like I said, make sure everything is flat. And once we are done frying our chicken, I will be back to talk to you about the next process. Okay, so we're going to get started on our seasoning while we're waiting on our chicken to fry. We're going to go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of each seasoning. So I'm going in with the Poultry Magic right now, as you can see. I'm going in with the celery salt. I'm going in with the chipotle pepper, chili pepper. Smoked paprika. Garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. Oops, it's gonna be spicy. Black pepper. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We want to knock down some of the heat. And this is the only time you're going to do triple what you did. Alright, we're going to mix that and we're going to be good to go. Okay, now that our chicken is done, we're going to take some of the grease that our chicken cooked in and some of the seasonings that we just mixed together. And we're gonna throw it right up in the grease. This is what they do, guys. We want to mix it up like so. Get it nice and dissolved. Yeah. This grease is super hot still. I'm not talking about spicy wise, I'm talking about temperature wise. So now we're going to go ahead and brush our chicken with this. Okay, we have our chicken and we have our sauce, and we're gonna just go in here and brush it like so. You can be messy with it, guys. This is not the plate we're using to serve the chicken. Just make sure you brush it well. Yeah. Sometimes people dip it, sometimes people spray it. Me, I'm gonna brush it because I get to put it in all the areas I wish. So we're gonna brush the front and we're gonna brush the back. And then we're gonna plate it and serve it up with whatever sides you choose. And we are going to eat. I will be back with the finished product. And there you have it, my hot chicken. If you tried the recipes, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm coming with you, to you, shall I say, with lots more recipes. It's gonna be good. Go ahead and try my recipe out. Love you guys, bye.